Recorder activation.
The Space Shuttle Endeavour left the Earth for the last time Monday, blasting off from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
4, 3, 2, 0, and liftoff for the final launch of Endeavour, expanding our knowledge while expanding our lives in space.
The youngest shuttle in NASA's fleet is heading toward the International Space Station. It will deliver spare parts to the orbiting laboratory, along with an instrument that will help astronomers study the formation of the universe. 6 astronauts, including one from Italy, are on board Endeavour. The mission commander is astronaut Mark Kelly. Shortly before launch, he shared a few words with Mission Control.
This mission represents the power of teamwork, commitment, and exploration. It is in the DNA of our great country to reach for the stars and explore. We must not stop.
Among the estimated 500,000 spectators at the liftoff was Kelly's wife, U.S. Representative Gabrielle Giffords. She was wounded during a shooting rampage in Arizona in January. After liftoff, shuttle launch director Mike Leinbach spoke to reporters.
Endeavour's on orbit safely, and it's going to perform a great mission, and we'll see her back here on June 1st. So, great day here at the Kennedy Space Center and for the shuttle program.
This is Endeavour's final mission, and the next to last mission for the U.S. shuttle fleet. NASA is retiring the shuttles in order to focus on developing the next generation of spacecraft that could go beyond low Earth orbit. The final shuttle launch is set for July. Suzanne Presto, VOA News.